Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select date and time functions on the TickTick application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on this settings button in the upper right corner of the orange section. Scroll down and click on date and time. Here, as you can see, you have many features, such as selecting when would you like your week to start on. Now it is set to Sunday, but you can also choose Monday or Saturday as well. Time accurate too. You can select 1 minute or 5 minutes, which is the minimal precision of time picker. You can select whether you would like to show week numbers. Week 1 is default or customize it. Here you should select your week, and there is this countdown mode, which means that it will appear on the right side of the task instead of its due date. You should tap the countdown again to switch back to normal due date mode. And there is also the time zone function, meaning that you can select the time zone when setting time for tasks. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.